Have you ever wondered how people build their database in an authentic way that doesn't feel slimy? I mean, going up to a door and knocking on it and then saying, hey, I want your information. Most people, they hesitate. And it's like, hey, thanks for if you could, okay, have a great day. And they have no idea what to say. I want to help you authentically build your business. Grow that database with beautiful conversations, adding value to others. So that's what we're going to chat about right now. Hello, my people. Rachel Adams-Lee here, and I'm so excited to get to connect with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. I am nursing a cold. I am 35 weeks pregnant with this beautiful little baby boy that I'm super excited to get to meet. But I just hosted a webinar with 19 offices around the country, and this question was asked, and it made me think, if they're wondering, you probably are as well. So I want to share a killer script with you that I created, and it really is going to help you build your business. Now, you know that I started my business door knocking, right? Door knocking 200 doors and doing 3 open houses a week. Now, I didn't sell any homes those first 4 months, and yet was able to sell 39 homes the first year, then 109, then 123. So 3 years in, I hit Wall Street Journal's top 1,000 agents in the country, right? How did I do that? How did I build my database and have these conversations? Well, I want to share a specific script with you that I came up with in relationship to door knocking, because, you know, a lot of times when you go to that door, you want to ask for their information, but it feels awkward. You don't know what to say and you don't know how to say it. So imagine that I just did a Thanksgiving canned food drive. And sorry, I know I sound really nasally. I have the cold. It is what it is. So I have this canned food drive, right? And I already went around and I dropped off my bags, and I have the people who've now called me and said, hey, I want to donate. So I go to their door, and for me, a lot of times when I do a canned food drive, I will partner, especially at Thanksgiving, with an anti-sex trafficking nonprofit. And it's basically women who have been taken off the streets and they're being rehabilitated, right? And they're gaining their confidence back and coming into the workforce and taking care of themselves. And so that's a really important cause for me. So when I go to the door, this is for me to collect the canned foods that they're going to be donating. And so this is how the conversation goes. This is how I get their information without making it slimy. So what I say to them is this, you know, Mrs. Jones, thank you so much for donating these canned foods, because you know what, you're going to help someone have a warm meal on Thanksgiving that they wouldn't normally get to have. And I have to tell you, it would mean the world to me to be able to show you the photos of the families you've made an impact on. Would it be okay if I get your information, your phone number and your email, so that I can show you some photos of the families you've made an impact on and the difference you've made in our community? You guys, everyone is going to say yes. They want that photo. They want to see the impact they've made, and you're the person making that happen for them. And because I'm an agent of integrity and I'm going to be adding them to my database, I also say this. And you know what? I'd love to be able to stay in touch with you throughout the year, because we do lots of fun events like Mommies and Mimosas, and we do family fall photos in the park. And I'd really love to be able to invite you to that, because, you know, you're such a giving person, and I want to make sure that I'm always giving back to you as your local realtor. Would it be okay if I add you to my database? They're going to say yes. They're going to say yes. And that's how you build. That's how you grow. If you're knocking doors or you're having conversations with people on the phone and you want to add them to your database, you want to have a reason to reach out to them, a reason to connect. And when you're always adding value, you stay top of mind. And when they need to buy or sell or invest in real estate, or they know someone who does, they're always going to come to you. All right, my people, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to connect with me and hang out for a few minutes. I know this one was short, but again, if there's ever anything I can do to help you build your business, that's what I'm here for. Now, do me a favor. If this video brought value to you and helped you grow your business, I want you to click that subscribe button. Click the button, because what that's going to do is it's going to make it so that anytime I do a new coaching video, you're going to get an email from me and you'll be the first to know. I always do new coaching videos each month, and I want you to make sure that you're able to take advantage of that. Also, let's hang out. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. Obviously, I'm a real estate coach, and I'd love to connect with you there too. If you go to levelupcoachingco.com, you'll see it on the screen right here, levelupcoachingco.com, then I can help you take the next step in your business. All right, have a good one. Mwah.